before this video starts, can you please hit 1,000 likes in this video, and I'll do a video about TikTok. So let's get right in the video, and I hope we reach 1K likes. This video is about to get started to YouTube channel. Let's get right into it. Creating a YouTube channel. Yeah. So, how do we create a YouTube channel? So, we're gonna teach you how to do that. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and let's get started. First thing about creating a YouTube channel is to know what content you're gonna do. You learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube, or how to color, or the nerd guy, or to be the nerd guy who wears the glasses and explains about stuff, reviewer, tech, or be the one who reviews stuff. There's many other contents out there. There's even more than just what I said. I need to make your videos engaging and fun to make people watch it. Watch time is important on YouTube. You need to make your videos engaging and make people watch it. And watch time is really important. I tell you why. Because when you have watch time, YouTube recommends it even more. Because YouTube wants people to stay connected to their app. And you also need subscribers. So, if you want a head start, you can comment down below your YouTube channel. And I will check out your YouTube channel and I'll subscribe to it. And I'll give you some feedback if you want. And with a YouTube channel, you need to have a great channel name, or brand name, or channel name. It could either be your name, or it can either be a funky name. Like my name is Yehia Waleed, so that's my channel's name, but I called it TV. You can call it as you want, or you can call it a funky name like Gamer Boy, or like, or Unspeakable, or funky names. They're called brand names. To do brand names, you need to enter YouTube Studio on a desktop. Go to create a YouTube channel and go to branding. Then enter your brand name as you follow. And the third thing is that to have a great channel icon or logo. Your logo needs to attract the people, make sense of what you're doing in your channel. And you also need to have a channel art, which should tell when do you publish videos, or to subscribe, or your email, or other important stuff. And you should make them that they're optimized for mobile, because most YouTube viewers are on mobile devices, and that's really important. And the fourth thing is thumbnails. Thumbnails are really important. Thumbnails are the outer stuff you see outside a video. Like when I did a sorry video, if you saw my thumbnail, and other stuff. You need to make your thumbnail attract the viewers. Like when you look at the video, when you scroll down, don't you see an outer part of an image? Yeah, that's called the thumbnail. You can add text and do your sorry, or like this, or like you can add stuff to make people click on it. Try to make it funny or comedy, or like try to make it cool, attract people. And that's what I do. If you check all my videos, I usually put thumbnails, and I'm gonna put the thumbnail in this video. Yeah, so yeah. Fifth thing is reminding viewers that they should subscribe. Like saying at the beginning of the video to subscribe, like I'm telling you, like what I told you in the beginning, and other stuff like that. And you can also add an end screen. An end screen is when you add, when you see like subscribe, channel logo, and those stuff, and the videos, that's called an end screen. To do it, you need to go to YouTube Studio, end screen, and add an end screen. Another thing you can add is something called cards. Cards is what you see on the top, which can have a poll, a video, or subscribe, or a link. Link can only be allowed if you have more than 1,000 subscribers. And you can add that by going to YouTube Studio, tap on the video you want to add it, go to cards, and select the cards you want. Thing is editing. Editing is really crucial for your video. Your video needs to have good editing, and you have to have good sense in editing. Everyone has his own editing styles. There are many editing apps. Like, I will do a tutorial series on how to edit like a pro, on all of the devices, so if you want to do it for this video. And I hope you guys like this video and subscribe, and yeah, and don't forget to comment your YouTube channel name so I can check it out. And I'm really happy to support your channels, guys, and hope you enjoyed this video, and see you next time. Bye.